Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to claim Core to MetaMask. Core is an innovative Layer 1 blockchain, leveraging a unique Satoshi plus consensus mechanism for enhanced security and scalability. Our goal is to walk you through the straightforward process of connecting your MetaMask wallet to the Core network. Then, we will guide you step by step on how to claim your Core tokens, ensuring a smooth experience. We will also touch upon verifying your claim and addressing common issues. To begin, open your MetaMask wallet and access the Settings menu, then select Networks. Choose the Add Network Manually option. For the network name, enter Core Blockchain. The new RPC URL should be https://rpc core.edu.org/. Input 1116 for the chain ID and Core as the currency symbol. Optionally, add https://scan core.edu.org/ as the block explorer URL. Save these details to add the Core network to your wallet. Once your MetaMask is connected to the Core network, navigate to the official Core DAO website within your MetaMask browser. Look for the airdrop or claim option, typically found on the home page. You will then be prompted to select your country of residence and connect your MetaMask wallet. Carefully verify that the displayed wallet address is the correct one. Finally, click the Claim button and confirm the transaction within your MetaMask wallet to receive your tokens. After completing the claiming process, open your MetaMask wallet and confirm that your Core token balance has updated. If your tokens do not appear immediately, ensure you are actively switched to the Core blockchain network within MetaMask. During peak times, network congestion might cause delays. You can try adjusting your gas fees or attempting the claim again during a less busy period. Always double-check that the correct wallet address was linked to your claiming account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.